Back with a new flash badge, GM, and welcome to a new video. This is another part of the abstract series here on my channel. Welcome back. As you can see here, we have the Ultra badge now that just went live. There's almost 7 days left for you to claim this. This badge is awarded to anyone who purchases a treasure box on Bythen Treasure. We will do this together here in this quick tutorial. Let me zoom out and then you can see that I actually got 25k experience points in the last 2 weeks. So major upgrade to the weeks before. And this is mainly due to providing liquidity on Aarian Finance. I did a video on this. Feel free to check it out. I will link it up here. And I think this was the game changer in getting more experience points and also playing Tolen Universe, which is a great game. I can show you this if you go to Discover. It's currently not here. This is Aborean Finance, where I provided the liquidity. And if we explore all depths, then we can see Tolen Universe here. It's super fun. Try it out for free once a week. You actually now get 100 crowns and 1000 abstract stamps, which then translates to experience points, not on a one-to-one basis, but at least you get some experience points for playing the game for free, just for upvoting the game. So definitely do that. Go over there, upvote Tolen Universe, and then you're ready to go to actually play a couple of games, earn some experience points, have fun while doing this, because this game is super fun. Otherwise, I wouldn't have played it so much. Yeah, that's it. That's the experience points update. And now let's talk about the Ultra badge. If you're on gold tier, then we actually got some great news. The abstract account actually did not post about the flash badge so far and not about the new perks. But if you're a gold user, then here you can see this free Bythen Treasure box. And if we click learn more, as a gold user, you will be able to claim 4 boxes worth almost $12 value for free during the time of the flash badge. This means 4 boxes, 1 box costs roughly $3, and you need to get one to actually claim this badge. So if you're on gold tier, you can actually claim 4 of those for free, and you get the badge for free. This is amazing. So let's check it out. Discover Ultraman. This should lead to the same link. Let's try it out. This was this one that everyone should be able to see, the go-to app. Let's click on the learn more and then discover Ultraman. And then we'll see treasure.bythen.ai. So it's exactly the same page. Now, claim your free treasure box in collaboration with Abstract. Let's do this. And you can see here that you cannot choose the Abstract global wallet. You need to connect your EVM wallet, and then during the purchase, then you'll be able to choose your Abstract global wallet to be rewarded then. But you need an EVM wallet to connect first with. Let me check one more thing. If we go back and click here on play now, this leads to /play. And if we click here, this also leads to /play. So it doesn't matter if you have the free boxes or not, this ends up in the same spot. Now, let me connect one wallet. Sign in your wallet to proceed. Yes, we will sign this. Pocket Universe, Lifesaver, definitely use this, install it. It's a great plugin to prevent you from getting scammed. Confirm. Introduction to Bythen Treasure. Discover Bythen Treasure, where every box holds a surprise. Collect all 6 treasure items or hit the jackpot item to instantly receive a free Ultraman or Cappy NFT airdrop. Collect all 6 treasure items to receive a free NFT airdrop. Each treasure box contains 1 of 6 treasure items. You will need to complete all 6 to receive a free NFT airdrop. And feeling lucky, get the jackpot item from time to time. The jackpot item will show up. Each item instantly gives you a free NFT airdrop. Got it. So hang tight. Congratulations, your wallet has received 3 treasure boxes. All right. Continue to unboxing. That's 3 here. And here I'm gonna hit connect abstract global wallet. I'm gonna approve this, continue. And then it's the two-factor, as you can see here. So definitely go with this, activate this. I showed you how to do this in one of the last videos. Definitely activate the two-factor authentication to ensure that you're way safer than without this. So I signed the transaction, now successfully connected to the Abstract Global Wallet. Now let's open this. Number one, I got part 3. Now I got another part. Let's go. Open. I got part 4 again. Getting rocked here. Okay, so as you can see here, we can get different boxes, complete purchase, and then use Abstract Global Wallet, earn XP, and Bythen Ultraman badge. To be honest, I can't see the 4 boxes here that were promised so far. Not sure why, but I already was able to claim 3 boxes here with my wallet. What could also work is, and let me know in the comments if that actually works, if you connect your X account and earn 3 treasure boxes, if it works. Let me refresh here if I actually need to buy a box or if that was already enough. Doesn't look like it. No, it's actually not working yet. So I should be able to claim 4 boxes for free. Maybe you actually need to buy one. I'm gonna do this for now. Go here, buy this for $3 with my Abstract Global Wallet, hit approve. Kind of slow, because probably, as we've seen with all the badges, as soon as a new Flash badge goes live, basically everyone is trying to get one. Start unboxing. Here we go, open. While we open this, let's refresh here. Still not able to claim, even with a hard refresh. So it did take approximately 3 to 4 minutes after it worked, but now it's showing up. We're gonna hit claim in dark mode. The animation isn't really working, but we're gonna hit claim badge, and here we go. That's it. This is how you actually get the newest Flash badge. That's already it for this week's episode. Thank you so much for watching. There will be lots of updates and videos coming soon, so make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.